Hey everybody, I got a delivery today from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and I'm going to share that with you. And then I did gather all the things I wanted to, fabric type things I want to do in a giveaway. So we're going to open this box first. This is not a subscription box or anything, it's just stuff I ordered. So, paper, mostly paper. So I got this layer cake. It's called Charisma, and it's really pretty. Dragonflies and poppies. And so there's two of those, I think. Three of those actually. And then there's, no, I think there's four. Yeah. Better get my story straight here. Alright. Okay. There's 5 of the dragonflies and poppies. And then there is 5 of the dragonflies, which is here. And one, looks like there's 3 of these checkerboards. 3 of these. This is pretty. 3 of these. 3 of all poppies. 3 of orange. 4 of these leaves with a turquoise background. 5 of these poppies with a turquoise background. Like, oh my go. Oh my lord. Well, anyway, there's 5 of these. And then, 3 of these gorgeous oranges. And looks like 3 of these reds. So that's Charisma. Put them all back together here. Bear with me. And then I bought some matching fabric for like borders and stuff. I'm probably going to make a quilt out of this. Oops, small quilt. Let's see. I don't know how the checkerboard fits in, but who knows. I do love the poppies. I like the orange and the turquoise. So pretty. Pretty pretty. Alright. Then I got coordinating fabric. I got I've got how many yards of this? I think I got 1 yard of the dragonflies. And then I got 3 yards of this blue. It's the same as the blue that's in the pile. Right there. So I can make a 3-yard quilt probably. And then I got some appliques. So this, I was going to make a couple placemats with this. I'll show you. I thought these were adorable. These are camper appliques. I got a blue one and a pink one. So these are already cut out. They weren't that, I don't know how much they were, but they weren't that expensive. I don't know if I have them. It's a card. Show us your quilting pride. Snap a photo of your latest project with this card and use hashtag MSQC show and tell to share online. Well, I'm not going to get to that for a while, so anyway. So these are all the cutouts. These are so cute for a camper. That's the blue camper. Thought if I make some bright, cheery placemats with the campers on, two of them, maybe somebody will want them for their camper. And this is the pink camper, all the cutout. And then I got some awesome flowers. I made a sunflower placemats upstairs, and I thought that these flowers would look good just in different places on them. Bohemian chick daisies. They're all in there cut out. Just pictures. So that was my shipment. Everything in here, this is an old pineapple fabric box. What I got in here is a giveaway. And it'll come in this box. Because it fits nicely. And I got it all wrapped up nicely. I'll show you what we got. First of all, some of this stuff is from the Sewers Club. I was never really a fan, so I moved on to other things. This is a strawberry table runner pattern. And you have everything to make it here. I even got white for the backing. It's got some little dots and swirls in it. And this is the fabric you got to make the strawberry. This came in the kit. The white did not. I added that myself. And then you have, this is from Open Gate Quilt. It's a zippered case. Everything is in there to make it. This is a strappy zipper pouch kit that came in, I think it was Sew Sampler. You use strips to make it. I never made it, but I did use all the strips. So what I did was, I gave you fabric to make your own strips or whatever you wanted. So we have this pretty peach and mint green. You can't really tell the color of this, but it is mint green. Maybe it's turquoise. I don't really know. I'm colorblind. And sometimes it seems so. But then I gave you this as well, pink and the rose and green. And then I threw in this bird fabric, which I was never really a fan of. It came in one of those whatever boxes they were. I didn't like them. I didn't have any use for some of the little projects. Okay, so that's our giveaway. You'll get all the fabric. Oop, I also got you something else to go with the birds. I gave you this to go with the birds, and that's probably, I don't know how much is here. To tell you the truth, maybe a half yard. So we'll tie this all together. And this is a giveaway. And we're going to play a game. I want to know, if you want to be entered into the giveaway, I want to know the name of your best friend in high school. So what I'm going to do, when I pick you, I'm going to pick you because of that name. So, and you're not going to know what my criteria is, but that's the giveaway. All right, all tied up in a bundle, in the box, ready to go. All right, so that's it for today. I will see you next time when something else comes in the mail. Take care, guys.